I am Khurram Shahzad and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Computer Tutor. Today course we are starting related to accounts. What are accounts? Accounting is a book of account and in it we write the account of our business. Whenever we talk about account, we think of books of accountants. That's because it's a specialist job and required a specialist accountant. Why it is important to do calculations so that every business can know from which accounts its income is coming or from which accounts its expenses, how much profit and how much loss is happening. These accounts need to be maintained to know all the things. Earlier these accounts were written in books, but now take all the work from computer. For example, accounts have become computerized. There are many softwares of computerized accounting, but the most popular and simplest software is QuickBook. From today we will start the QuickBook desktop version advanced complete course. QuickBook is an accounting based software and developed by Intuit. QuickBook is the most popular small business accounting software. Businesses use to income and expenses and keep track of the financial health of their business. You can use it for invoicing customer, paying bills, generating reports and preparing taxes. The QuickBook product line includes several solutions that work great for anyone from a freelancer to mid-size business. 9 ways small businesses use to QuickBook. Number 1. Create and track invoices. Keep tracks of bills and expenses. Print financial statements for your business. For example, profit and loss, balance sheet report, statement of cash flow. Number 4, track employee hours and payroll. Number 5, track inventory. Number 6, taxes. Number 7, accept online payments. Number 8, scan receipt. Number 9, track mileage. In the next class, we will understand the interface of QuickBook. I hope you enjoyed today's class. So please like the video, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Goodbye.